Assalamu alaikum students and welcome to SM Public Academy Campus 5. I hope you all are doing good at home and you all are staying home and staying safe and you all are taking care of yourself, okay? And when you are at home, don't forget that even if though you are at home, you have to study hard, okay? And you have to do all the classworks, all the homeworks, and you have to concentrate on your studies, okay? So, we have so many students joining in. Let them all join and then we will start the lesson because they will otherwise miss it, okay? Okay, I welcome all the grade 4 students to another exciting English language class and I am your teacher Miss Sabah Arif as you all know me. So as you all know, I've told you before that this week we will be having only English language classes. So today we will have another exciting English language class and what is our topic for today? Let's see. What is our topic? Our topic for today. Now, what is our topic for today? Before I tell you that, let me remind you that yesterday we were doing present continuous tense, okay? And even on Tuesday, the lecture that I uploaded was present continuous tense, okay? I introduced you to a new tense that was a present continuous tense. You have already done the present, past, and future indefinite tenses, or the simple present tense, what you call simple present, simple past, and simple future tenses before, okay? So now we will be doing the present. We have done the present continuous tense. Today we will begin with another form of this continuous tense, that is the past continuous tense. Okay, so our topic for today is past continuous tense. Is that clear? Okay, so what is a past continuous tense? What is a past continuous tense? Let's look at this definition. What is a past continuous tense? You all have to read with me. When I'm reading, always read along with me so that you also understand, okay? In the past continuous tense, the action was ongoing. Okay, in the past continuous tense, that is in a past continuous tense, the action was ongoing till a certain time in the past. Okay, this tense is used to talk about an action at a particular time in the past. So basically, a past continuous tense tells us about an action of the past that was ongoing at a certain time, but when in the present, no, it was happening in the past. Okay, so it is telling us about any event that was happening in the past, and this tense is used to talk about an action at a particular time in the past. That it's not an habitual thing, it's not a regular thing of the past, but it happened only at a certain time, at a particular time in the past. Okay. Okay, I am again repeating, what is a past continuous tense? A past continuous tense tells us about an action that was happening in the past at a particular time. Okay, is that clear? Again, that was happening in the past at a particular time. Okay, it's not a past simple past tense, it's different from a simple past tense because again, this, as I told you, it's a past continuous tense, and continuous means that it was happening again and again regularly in the past. Okay, so what is the structure of a past continuous tense? Let's look here. Past continuous tense expresses the actions or tasks that were ongoing in the past. We cannot determine when the action started or finished. Okay, so we cannot actually figure out when the action started or finished. And a past continuous tense is telling us about actions or tasks. Task is a work. Okay, Okay, so that were ongoing in the past. We cannot determine when the action started or finished. That is, there is no time frame mentioned. There is no time mentioned that it was like at this time or that time. It is just that it happened in the past. Okay. Now, as I told you, a plus shows a positive sentence. So for a positive sentence, you will have the subject. Okay, that is the noun of the main person who's doing it. Was and were will be my helping verbs. Okay, now again I will use was with a singular person, that is I was, she was, he was, it was, and were with the plural subject. Okay, if the subject is plural, then I'm going to use were, that is they were, we were, okay, the children were, the parents were. So if there's a subject is plural, if my subject is a plural noun, then I will always use were. And again we use the first form of the verb with ing. Okay, now here we don't use the second form of the verb, although you know in a past tense we always use the second form of the verb, right? But in a continuous tense we don't use the second form of the verb, we use the first form of the verb with ing. Okay, you have to remember this. Suppose if it is a sing, so I will not say that he was singing a song. Sing, sang, sung, right? These are the three forms of the verb of sing, sang, and sung. So I will not say that he was singing a song. No, he was singing a song. First form of the verb. She was dancing on the music. And if it is they were going to New York. Okay, so going, it will not be they were venting. Not the second form, it's always going to be the first form of the verb with the ing. Look at this example. He was traveling to Venice. So he is my subject. My subject is a singular noun, so I will use was. Traveling, travel is my first form of the verb with ing. Okay, so he was traveling to Venice. Venice is a city. Again, look at the negative sentence. How we form a negative sentence. We use the subject with was, were, and then again we use not. Not shows me that this is a negative sentence. First form of the verb with the ing. So he was not traveling to Venice. Okay. He is my subject. Was is my helping verb. Not is my negative sentence. Traveling. Travel is the first form of the verb. Ing is a continuous tense. To Venice is my object. Okay. Again, look at the question mark. Okay, the question mark shows that it is an interrogative or a question sentence. Now, a question sentence begins with the helping verb, that is was or were. It will be was if the subject is singular, and it will be were if the subject is plural. Okay, so with the first form of the verb and ing, and then we always add a question mark. Okay, this is a must, you have to remember. So was he traveling to Venice? Was is my helping verb, he is my subject, travel is my first form of the verb, and ing to Venice. Okay, so he was traveling to Venice. So look at that. I was traveling to Venice. Oh, sorry. He was traveling to Venice. He was not traveling to Venice. Was he traveling to Venice? Okay, so this is my past continuous tense. Clear, children? Okay, Romesa, we are studying past continuous tense here. The definition is already there. For those of you who have joined late, I'm repeating the definition once again. In the past continuous tense, the action was ongoing till a certain time in the past. Okay, today we are doing past continuous tense. We have already done the present continuous tense. And in a past continuous tense, we talk about an action that was ongoing at a certain time in the past. Okay, that is at a particular time in the past it was going on. And again, this is our structure. This is for the positive sentence, that we have a subject plus helping verb plus the first form of the verb with ing. In the negative sentence, we have subject plus the helping verbs, that is was or were, with not and first form of the verb in ing. And the question is, we begin with the helping verb, that is was or were, with the subject and the first form of the verb in ing. Okay, जो चीज़ आप लोगों को यहाँ बहुत बहुत अच्छे से याद रखनी है वो ये है, फर्स्ट थिंग, कि जब हम सब्जेक्ट हमारा सिंगुलर होगा, दैट इज हमारा नाउन सिंगुलर होगा, तो हम वॉज लगाएंगे, और जब हमारा नाउन प्लूरल होगा, दैट इज दे हो, वी हो, या स्टूडेंट्स हो, तब हम वर लगाएंगे। ओके, एंड दूसरी चीज़ जो आपको यहाँ बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट याद रखनी है, इट इज दैट it is that that you use the first form of the verb with the ing, कि आपको फर्स्ट फॉर्म यूज करनी है। पास्ट टेंस है तो हम सेकंड फॉर्म यूज नहीं करेंगे। कंटिन्यूअस टेंस में हम कंटिन्यूअस टेंस में भी फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब यूज करते हैं, क्योंकि हमने इससे पहले हेल्पिंग वर्ब में वॉज लगा दिया है, जिससे हमारा ऑलरेडी सेंटेंस पास्ट में चला गया है। इज दैट क्लियर? लेट्स मूव ऑन। ओके, यूज ऑफ वॉज एंड वर, एज आई टोल्ड यू, जैसा हमारा सब्जेक्ट होगा, वट एवर इज द सब्जेक्ट, वी आर गोइंग टू पुट वॉज एंड वर अकॉर्डिंगली। ओके, हम वॉज एंड वर उसके हिसाब से लगाते हैं। इज दैट क्लियर? I was sleeping. So with I, we always use was. You were. With you, we always put were. Okay, now you can also say, okay, you can be a singular person or a plural person, but it is a rule that with you, we always use were. Okay, so remember it. You were. He was. Tom, now if it's a name of a boy, then Tom was. The boy was. Again, we're talking about one boy, so it's always was with it. Okay. She was. Anna is the name of a girl. Okay, so Anna was. The girl was. We were, you were. Now we and you and they, because we don't know it's singular, plural, or whatever. So we are going to, because we is are definitely plural, you can be plural, and they is always plural, and the children are plural. So we are always going to put were here. Okay, we were sleeping, you were sleeping, they were sleeping, the children were sleeping. Okay, so with all of them we are going to have were. Okay, is that clear? Okay, so let's move on. Now, the simple past and past continuous tense. What is the difference between the simple past and past continuous tense? We use the simple past to talk about completed actions, habits, and facts in the past. Okay, so when we are talking about the past tense, we are always using the second form of the verb. Okay, I went to the cinema yesterday. Went is my second form of the verb. Okay, so I went to the cinema yesterday. I always visited my grandparents in my summer holidays when I was little. So I always visited. Visited is my second form of the verb, and when I was little, okay, that is it's a event of the past, okay. I lived near Liverpool for a couple of years. So I lived, okay. Lived is again my second form of the verb. So these are all in my second form of the verb. Now, past continuous tense is used to express interrupted actions at specific time as an interrupted action and parallel actions. So basically, what I'm trying to explain you here is that past continuous tense is used for an action that was happening in the past at a certain or a particular time. Okay, I was watching TV when the phone rang. Was, and then again first form of the verb watch with ing. So I was watching. Last night at 7 p.m., I was having dinner. Again, it's at a particular time in the past, so I was having dinner. While she was doing her homework, her brother was playing football. So again, this is something that happened in the past, was doing. Now you see, it's not do is done. Okay, yeah, do, did, done. So it's not didding, okay, it is doing. Play, it's not playing, it's playing. Okay, first form of the verb with ing. Is that clear, everyone? What is the difference between a simple past and a past continuous tense? Okay, let's move on. Okay, let's look at these examples there. You were watching television last night. Okay, so with you we always use were. Okay, so you were. They were studying math yesterday. With they, we always use were again, okay, because they is plural. So they were studying maths yesterday. I was washing the dishes when the phone rang. With I, I'm always going to use was because my noun is singular here, my subject is singular here. So I was washing the dishes when the phone rang. Number four, as she was reading the book, Alice came. So came, this shows that this is my past tense, my past tense sentence. So she was reading, okay? It was raining yesterday evening. Again, was raining. With it, I'm going to use was. With she, I'm going to use was. With I, I'm going to use was. If it's a name of a person, I'm also going to use was with it. Now look at some negative sentences in blue. No, you don't have to write this beta. Every time you people ask me this thing, if you have to write something, I'll tell you first, okay? Until unless I don't tell you to write, don't write anything. Okay, you were not watching television last night. So again, if it's a negative sentence, then the not is going to come in between. Okay, so you were not watching television last night. That is with you. I'm going to put were, not as my negative sentence, and watching. With they again, I'm going to use were. They were not studying math yesterday. So they were not studying maths yesterday. I was not washing the dishes when the phone rang. So I with I am going to use was and then not washing. Now look at some questions in the pink. Were you watching television last night? So with you again, as I told you, you always use were. So were you? Were they studying math yesterday? So it's again going to be were with they. Was I washing the dishes when the phone rang? With I, it's always going to be was. Okay, was I washing the dishes? Was she reading the book when they came? So was again with she, I'm going to use was. Okay, was she reading the book when they came? Is that clear, children, till here? Okay, let's look at the difference between present and past continuous tense. Though the students who are joining me right now, please let me remind you that you have to join the class within the initial 10 minutes, okay? I will not be allowing you, in 2, 3 days that you can join the class late. Please. So the difference between the present and past continuous. The present continuous, now you see, we first did present continuous, then we did past continuous. So let me show you what is the difference between both, okay? In present tense, if we say in present continuous, I am walking. So in past continuous, we say I was walking, okay? In present, if it is you are walking, so it will be you were walking. He, she, it is walking. If it's he or she or it, then it's always is walking. So it will be he and she and it was walking. Okay. We are walking. We were walking. You are walking. You were walking. They are walking. They were walking. Okay. So do you understand the difference between present continuous, past continuous tense? How we change them with from sometimes in present we put is, am, or are, but in past we have only was and were. Okay, we have only two helping verbs that we use in past continuous tense. Okay, children, I hope it is clear to everyone so far. No issues, no questions. Let's move on. Let's begin our classwork. Now I'm giving you people 1 minute. Hurry up and take out your copies, everyone. Open up the index page. I'm giving you 1 minute. Arrange yourself. Take out your copies, your pencil boxes. Open up your, stationery boxes. Take out your pencils, erasers, everything that you need. I'm giving you 1 minute to arrange yourself. Definitely, you will do this work in the language copy because we are doing language work. So you have to do it in the language copy. Zakawat Hussain, stop writing vowels in the chat box. We all know that A, E, I, O, U are vowels, bete. Okay, let me show you the index. You have to take out your English language copy, everyone. Okay, this is your English language copy. Hurry up and take out your English language copy and please write the index. Again, the serial number can be different. Whatever is your serial number, write that. Put the date 14/1/21. Write past continuous tense. We will write the definition, structure, and sentences. Okay, so hurry up. Write the index. I'm giving you 2 minutes to write the index. Okay, if you want to tell me something, if there's any question, you can ask me. If you want to ask me anything, you can ask me right now.
Miss,
Yes, beta.
Miss, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, Mahiba. Say, what do you want to say?
मिस ये वाला तो कल का काम लग रहा है.
Beta, yesterday we did present continuous tense. Today we are doing past continuous tense.
Miss,
Yes.
मिस
Miss, I have no index. इसलिए
Okay.
मिस मैं फिर कहाँ करूँ?
The last, you have an index from the behind, from the back side of the copy. Do it over there.
Okay, miss.
आपको मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
Yes, I can hear you, Zahawa.
Miss,
Yes, beta. Hurry up, I'm giving you 1 more minute to do it, and then we are going to, move forward.
Miss, I have done my index.
Very good, Manha.
miss, I done my index.
Very good, Romesa.
Miss, I done my
Okay, thank you,
Miss,
everyone.
I
Okay,
also
let's
done
begin.
my-
Let's begin the classwork. Past continuous tenses are classwork. This window is not going away from here, so you people have to,
Miss,
write
we
the
make a
spelling.
title page of past
Miss-
continuous tense.
Yes,
इसका
you have
title
to make
भी
the,
बनाना है.
yes, you make the title page of past continuous tense also. Leave one
miss.
page for the title.
मिस जरूरी है टाइटल पेज बनाना.
Yes, it looks good, no? So you leave a page right now, you make it at your home when you have free time. Or if in the end of the period you have time, you can do it at that time. First, right now, do the work, okay?
मेरे पास कलर नहीं है अभी मैं ऐसे ही लिख रहा हूँ.
Okay, so write past continuous tense. This will be the heading, past continuous tense. Then you have to write the definition first. The definition is the past continuous tense shows an ongoing action of the past, okay? Clear? It shows an ongoing action of the past. The structure will be subject, was, verb plus first form of the verb and ing, okay? So write it down, write definition and structure with the blue pencil, okay? Write the heading of definition and the heading of a structure with a blue pencil.
Miss,
Yes, better.
मिस अभी हमने नेक्स्ट क्लास में जो होमवर्क किया था ना, तो उसका मैंने टाइटल पेज नहीं बनाया।
होमवर्क का टाइटल पेज तो बनता भी नहीं है बेटे. You already made, like you did the same thing yesterday, so it's okay.
दीदी ये पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस की बात कर रही हूँ.
The past continuous, we have just started it today, no?
प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस की बात कर रही हूँ.
It's okay, no problem. If you haven't made the title page, it's okay, don't worry.
थैंक
Miss done. Miss done.
Let others complete. Everybody
Miss
needs
do.
time.
Miss no. Miss no.
Yes, I'm not changing the slide. I'm giving you 5 minutes. Do it. आराम से कीजिए, कोई मसला नहीं. And beta, if you're doing the work in the class, don't hurry and don't do dirty work. Do very clean and neat work. Okay, you have to make sure that your work is neat and clean. I am giving you a lot of time to do the work, so don't panic. Just do it very nicely, neatly. Okay.
Miss I have do not
What happened,
done
Haris?
my work.
Okay.
Miss
Take your
मैंने वर्क
time.
नहीं किया.
जल्दी कीजिए ना तो बेटा, hurry up.
Excuse me, miss.
Yes, beta.
Excuse me, miss.
Yes, Umma Habiba. What are you saying? I'm listening. Umma Habiba, I can hear you. Go ahead, beta. What are you saying?
Miss done.
Okay. Very good. Okay, can I change the
Miss
slide?
done.
Can I
Miss
change?
no. Miss no.
Yes,
Miss.
अल्लाह तो कल का काम है,
Haris,
ये वाला
I'm
काम
not.
वापस से कॉपी करना है.
No,
Yes.
beta, this is not yesterday's work. I'm again and again telling you, yesterday we did present continuous tense. This is past continuous tense. Please, I try to see the difference. Today we have done a separate topic. We did past continuous tense today, not present. Those of you who are not doing it and they are thinking that it's the same work, you know
Miss.
this is different work. And if you have
Miss,
checked the
I
work,
have done my work.
and those of you who
Miss,
have
I
not
have done my work.
started, those of you who have not started doing the work, then you can always take
Miss
it
done.
from the link in the Google Classroom. Okay, I'll be uploading the video. You can take the link from the Google Classroom. Don't worry.
Miss done.
Okay. Okay,
Miss
let's
done.
move on. Now
Miss,
these
I
are
have
the
done
sentences
this.
that you have to write. She was riding a bicycle. I was.
बस आगे बढ़ जाए.
They were flying kites. You were playing with a ball. Okay. Raghavat, what are you doing, bete?
मिस आपकी
Miss,
आवाज
I
सही से
didn't
नहीं आ रही।
done structure. Miss, I did not done structure.
Okay, Hamza, if you have not done it, then you can see the video afterwards and do it from there, okay? Because I have only 8 minutes and you have to write all these sentences in 8 minutes. Otherwise, the class will end in 8 minutes. So hurry up and start writing. Leave one line for the structure. Do it from the Google Classroom. When I upload the lecture, you can do it from there.
Miss, this is last work.
Yes, this is last work. Hurry up and do it. Yes, Umar. Umar, you want to say something? Sarfaraz, you're not supposed to talk. Hurry up and write the sentences, all of you. I have something also to tell to you people. Hurry up and do this and let me know.
मिस
Yes, beta.
मिस ये जो आपने ब्लू कलर से लिखना है, ब्लू कलर से ही लिखना है।
Yes, you have to write it with a blue color to show that this is a past continuous tense.
ओके। मिस
Yes, beta.
मैंने वो लिख दिया है ब्लू कलर जो लिखना था जिससे, तो मैं ब्लू कलर से अंडरलाइन कर दूं उसे।
Yes, yes, it's okay, no problem.
Miss,
Yes, beta.
if we do sentences on new page.
If you have a space on the same page, you can begin it on the same page. If you don't have a space, then you can do it on the next page, no problem.
Okay, thank you, teacher.
You're welcome.
मिस डन।
Very good.
डन।
Very good.
मिस डन।
Okay, very
मिस आप
good.
1 सेकेंड इंडेक्स दिखा सकती है? मैंने इंडेक्स सही से लिखी नहीं थी।
Just give me 2 minutes. I will show you all the work in the last 2 minutes. Okay, those of you who have missed it, just wait. And again, don't worry. I'll be uploading the lecture. You can always see it in the Google Classroom. Okay, you can go to the link, the YouTube link, and you can see the lecture there. Okay, don't worry.
ओके मिस, थैंक यू।
You're welcome.
8 मिनट रहते हैं फिर खत्म हो जाएगी।
No, 5 breath then. You got people need to start talking in
मिस
English.
3
You know,
मिनट्स आर लेफ्ट।
even if you are talking at home, try to talk in English. Don't talk in Urdu.
Miss, please see my work.
I cannot see it, Bitte. How can
मिस डन।
I'll see it once I get
Miss
the
done.
copy. Very good.
Okay, miss.
Okay, those of you who have done the work. Okay, now listen to me very carefully. Those of you who have done the work and those of you who are doing it, listen to me very carefully. Yesterday we did present continuous tense, right? Okay. You all know we did present continuous tense yesterday. Okay, now in the present continuous tense structure, go back to the present continuous tense page and see the structure. Go back to the present continuous tense page and see the structure. Have you all opened up your copy? Open your copy to present continuous tense and see the structure. In the structure, it was written subject plus was were. So rub the was and were, that was a mistake. Rub the was and were. अभी वाली slide में नहीं.
काइंडली इंडेक्स दिखा सकती हैं?
Sure, I'll show you. Wait a minute.
Miss, I had done the correction.
मिस मुझे
and
समझ
also the
नहीं
work.
आया।
Very good.
मिस मुझे समझ में नहीं आया जो आपने बोला।
Okay. Let me repeat it to you. Go back to yesterday's work, the present tense,
Miss
continuous tense. Okay. Did you open the page of the present continuous tense, Ahmad?
Yes, miss.
Okay, now there is the structure written. Structure लिखा था
Yes,
कल आपने, तो उसके अंदर जो was
yes,
and
miss.
were लिखा था, उस was and were को कट करके या रब करके आप उसकी जगह is, am और are लिख दीजिए. is, am और are, क्योंकि हम is यूज करते हैं या am यूज करते हैं या are. Okay, so write is, फिर draw a line am, draw a line are. Okay, जिस तरह was and were लिखा था तो उसको रब करके is, am, are कर दीजिए. Is that clear?
Okay, miss.
Thank you. Okay, those of you who want to see the index, look here. There's the index for today. If those of you who missed it, the past continuous tense, this is the index.
Miss, I done.
Okay, very good, Bete. Thank you.
Miss, I have done index. Thank you to
Thank
show.
you, Bete. Thank you.
छूटा कुछ नहीं छूटा
Done with the index, everyone?
मोहम्मद उस्मान ने कि लिंक नीचे है, यानी कि पुराने लिंक पे ही चल रहा था. एंड क्यों कर रहे हो गई क्लास खत्म? बोला है उन्होंने खुद वापस.
Okay, this is the index. If anybody of you missed it today, you can take the link from the Google Classroom. Then this is our first page of work today. Okay, that is the past continuous tense. Again, I am repeating it. This is not present continuous. This is past continuous. Okay, this is a different work. Okay, and these are the 4 sentences that you have to write in your copy. Okay, so take
Miss,
care of yourself, everyone.
Miss, please show structure.
Miss,
Miss, please show structure.
Okay, better you can take it from the Google Classroom because the class is about to end. Okay, I cannot show you again. You can always take it from the Google Classroom. Is that clear, child? Okay.
yes, yes.
Okay, beta, take care.
Hafiz, Miss. Hafiz. 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 Hafiz.
Stay home and stay safe. Okay. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz, everyone.
That is